Hi guys, Mark here. Thank you for joining me. Today's video was requested by a viewer and demonstrates the 7-part 8-byte Turk's head. I'm going to tie my knot on a PVC pipe with a rubber band attached. I'm going to be using Paracord 550 and a lacing needle. We begin by tying a 3-part 4-byte Turk's head. Reaching our standing end, if we placed our working end next to it, this would tie the 3-part 4-byte Turk's head. Instead, we're going to expand it into the 5-part 6-byte Turk's head, traveling under our standing end, then doubling up our standing end, going under, over, under, so this is the standing end, this is the cord doubling it up. We double up our standing end once more, under, over, under. Reaching our standing end again, we pass over it, then split the 2 parallel strands. So the standing end and the cord doubling it up. Starting under, continuing over, then under, and over. Again, from right to left, we split a pair of parallel strands. Under, over, under, over. Reaching our standing end. If we would place our working end next to the standing one, this would tie off the 5-part 6-byte Turk's head. Instead, we're going to enlarge it. But before doing that, I'm just going to loosen up my knot a little bit. So, to enlarge our 5-part 6-byte Turk's head into the 7-part 8-byte Turk's head, we pretty much repeat the same process we did before. So, under the standing end, then we double it up. under, over, under, over, under. So, under the standing end, then doubling it up, creating a pair of parallel strands. Once more, from right to left, double up the standing end. So under, over, under, over, under. Creating a pair of parallel strands. Reaching our standing end, we pass over it, then split our parallel strands. Under, over, under, over, under, over. Then, from right towards the left, we again split a pair of parallel strands. Under, over, under, over, under, over. We now place our working end next to the standing end, tying our 7-part 8-byte Turk's head. Let's check. A total of 7 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 bytes. So, let's say starting with this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, to clean up my knot a little bit, I'm again going to work some slack into the knot. Now usually, we do not use this sort of a knot standalone. We either double it up or interweave it into a different style of a knot. To double up your knot, simply follow the standing end using your working end. So, the doubled up knot. Guys, thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my future videos as well.